Okay, good evening to all. Welcome to CFR classes. Exam రేపే కదండి. Sorry for this day. So to do this video 1 week back only. Unfortunately, it's not possible for me. Don't mind for that. I hope everyone is good at your preparation. Forget about the last exam. Okay? The exam, please forget about the today. Just focus on tomorrow exam only. These are the important theory questions discussing in this video. So once I am done with this video, I will go with the important questions. I will show you the questions also. So we don't have a lot of time to discuss all the solutions, right? We already discussed in regular classes as well as a crash course. Everything we have discussed, right? So we didn't upload a total marathon for this attempt. Sorry for this, guys. Still, I will give my best for this. Please follow these videos. I mean 10 to 15 minutes video only. Okay. Please follow this. Definitely will get a good. Okay. This video, the value of this video is 16 to 20 marks. Please go through this important theory question. Okay na. So one is what is sustainability or the internal external benefits, very important. There in our material, everything is there in our material. Okay. And integrated reporting, what are the components of integrated reporting? That 6 capitals is there, one component. That's very important. And also please give single reading for all the components, because they may ask a MCQ question for that. So CSR applicability, limits is very important. Based on the limits, they may ask a question also, very important. Please go through this. And also CSR reporting. So this is separate question. Almost we have 4 to 5 points only for the CSR report. Okay, please don't ignore that. And CSR, sorry, types of HR remotes, it is not that much important, but give a single reading for this. Examination point of view, very very important, compulsory question, which is value added statement as well as a EVA as well as MVA. Please don't ignore that. Practical question is very important. Everyone is asking the last attempt solution. Last attempt we got a EVA question, right? I will give solution in the next video. Don't worry about it. Okay, please go through this video for the meantime. Okay, so value added statement. This question is we got in the cost audit question paper yesterday. Okay, so they may not ask in this CFR paper. That is one possibility. In previous attempt they have asked EVA only. Before previous attempt also they have asked EVA only. So for this attempt they may ask value added statement. Both possibilities are there. So don't ignore both the questions. Value added statement, we have a video on this. I already post in our Telegram group. Please go through that. We have separate just 15 to 20 minutes is there for a value added statement as well as a, okay na. So remaining theory we already discussed in our marathon. So next myths regarding XBRL, very important. We have 5 myths, right? Very important this time, this question. And also benefits of XBRL as well as companies required to follow XBRL reporting. Which of the following companies are required to follow XBRL report? Very important. MCQ, guys. Okay, now exempted companies. This is also important for MCQ point of view. MCQ point of view, very important. Exempted companies for XBRL reporting. Okay, and we have 3 parts of structures of earnings call. This MCQ already asked in previous attempt or before previous attempt, I think so. So safe harbor statement, presentation and discussion of financial results, question answer session. Okay, just give a single reading for this. This time may not ask, they may not ask this because we already got in our previous attempt. Next, importance of ESG reporting. So this question they did not ask it. Please give a 2 times reading, not single reading, 2 times, because important. And the differences between government accounting and commercial accounting, very important question. They have asked many times this question. Still this is very important. And public accounts committee and constitution also very important. Okay, so Lok Sabha members, Rajya Sabha members. Okay, so everything is very very important regarding this public account. Please don't ignore. Okay, I will discuss only questions only. Please go through our concept book. Okay, we have all the theory in that. Please go through that. Explain about a GASAB and the structure and responsibilities. Is also there in our material. Our material is more than enough, sir. Our material is more than enough. Please don't go through beyond that. Okay, next I guess 279, 234 is important for exam based on the past analysis. Okay, if they ask one question, they will ask this questions only. Next, this is very important for every attempt: Consolidated Fund of India, Contingency Fund of India, Public Accounts of India. Okay. Next, India's 1112228. So please don't ignore the theory for India's 111 and 112. I will discuss in next video for this theory, because I did not covered in our regular classes also this theory, because it is a very simple theory only, just 5 to 10 minutes only I'll discuss. Okay, so please go through it. It's already there in our material also. Please go through Index 28, sir. Please don't ignore Index 28. We have a few entries, right? Based on that, they may ask one question also. Okay, now clear. So calculate the cost of investment. They will ask the question. So practical question is very important in Index 20. Theory, for theory purpose, Index 111 and 22. Joint arrangements, joint venture. Okay, they will ask that questions. I'll discuss this. Don't worry about it. Next, define the control as per Index 1. Control definition. Please note down. So this definition is there in Index 103 in our material. Please go through the material. You will find the, what's that, sir? Control definition. And also difference between Index 103 and AS 14. This is also important for examination. This is also there in our Index 103 concept book. Please go through that. Points for loss of a control. This is there in Index 110 theory. Loss of a control. So what are the treatment? For the treatment you need to do for the loss of a, very important, it is there in Index 110 theory question. Important. Financial asset, financial liability, portable instruments and equity definitions. It is there in Index 32. Very, very important for examination point of view. Okay, now don't ignore that. Don't ignore that. And next point is steps for recognition of our revenue as per Index 115. Have a 5 steps, right? Identify the contract. Okay. So next here, transaction price, performance obligation, satisfaction of the performance obligation, allocation of transaction price. We have a total 5 steps are there now. So very important for examination purpose. And MCQ exemption for leases. This is MCQ purpose. MCQ question. Exemption for leases, we have two only there. One is short term lease, second one is a leases for which underlying asset is a low. So these are the important questions for examination. If you go through this, and one more question I'm adding here, QBL. So please go to the QBL question also and their benefits also. Okay, and their benefits. That is more than enough for our exam. Okay, now guys, this is the important theory questions. If you go through this question, definitely you will get a 16 to 20 for sure. Don't get a panic before the exam, because we need to be very free, very free. You have a mindset like a take it easy mindset you should have. Then only you will get a good marks in our paper. Okay, just to go through the conceptual knowledge. Okay, I'll upload the balance remaining things in the next video. Okay, now thank you so much.